Mahalakshmi, very easy question for you. A cube has dash edges. How many
Ma'am,
edges?
12.
12. Next is Mahalakshmi. Mahatesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahatesh, you have to
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Very
Eight, ma'am.
easy question. Very easy question. Cubeboard
Eight,
has
ma'am.
dash.
Option.
Very easy question. Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Naveen. Answer this question number 18. Lateral surface area of the cuboid.
Option C, ma'am.
Jana, good. Next is Pavan. Pavan?
Option A, ma'am.
Yeah. Super. Next is Pooja.
Yes, ma'am.
Total surface area of cube.
Option C, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Next is Priyadarshini. Volume of a cube.
Second option, ma'am.
Very good. Excellent. Next is Sachin.
Yes, ma'am.
If the side of the cube is doubled, ratio of original volume to new volume is dash. A becomes 2A. Here,
Option A, ma'am.
1:3.
Option D, ma'am.
That is incorrect.
Option
Option D, ma'am.
D, ma'am.
1:3. Yeah. 2 into 2 into
That's correct.
8. Next, Sanjana Sittapache. Length and breadth of a cuboid are doubled, height is halved, then the lateral surface area of the resulting cuboid. Length is doubled, breadth is doubled. Lateral surface area of the cuboid. Breadth also is doubled. What happens to the lateral surface area of the resulting cuboid? L becomes 2L, B becomes 2B, H becomes H by 2.
Option C, ma'am.
Option C. Correct. Very good. Next is Shravan Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Shravan. Three dimensions are 5, 4, 7. What is the volume? L into B into H. What is the answer, Shravan? Shravan?
140, ma'am.
Yes.
That's
Next is Shweta.
Yes, ma'am. 216 centimeter cube, ma'am.
Very good. Sanjana T didn't answer. Next is Sneha.
Yes,
Sneha,
ma'am.
find the surface area of a cuboid. Dimensions 12 into 10 into 6. Total surface area.
Ma'am, option A. 504 square centimeter.
Correct. 2 into 120 plus 60 plus 72. Next question. Sneha finished. Spurti?
Yes, ma'am.
Spurti? Find the volume of the cube given the surface area is 96.
64 cube centimeter, ma'am.
Very good.
That's correct.
Next is after Spurti. Sujata,
Yes, ma'am.
length, breadth, height are 10, 15, 20. Volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid. L into B into H. Sujata.
3000 m cube, ma'am. cm cube.
Pradeep. Madhumita has answered. Pradeep.
Option B, ma'am.
Pradeep.
Option B, ma'am.
Sahana.
16 centimeter square, ma'am.
Now we have finished cube and cuboid. Let us go to right circular cone. Is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer this please?
Ma'am, screen
Let's
is not visible.
starting quiz again because Naveen wants it. Volume is volume you have to find. Volume of a cone, slant height is 17, radius is 8. 1/3 pi r squared h. H equal to square root of r squared plus L squared or minus. H equal to square root of L squared minus. How do you find H?
H square plus height square equal to 17 square.
How much you got H? What is the value of H?
225, ma'am.
Square root of 225?
15, ma'am.
15, ma'am.
So volume is 1/3 pi r squared H. Use your calculator, you will get some, this one. Use calculator.
Ma'am, I got different answer.
How much?
1131.52. 39.8.
But
And the answer is 1005.71 centimeter.
Option C.
That's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Akash, CSA of cone is 12.320. Radius of the base is 56. Find the height. CSA of cone is pi r L.
42 centimeter, ma'am.
42. Which one?
Yes, ma'am.
40.
42, ma'am.
That's correct.
Next is Anjali. Anjali.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Circumference of the base is 66. Height is 12. Find the volume. Cone. 1/3 pi r squared h.
Ma'am, what is the conical tent?
What is the conical tent? Tent in the form of a
Okay, miss.
Can you see this? Conical tent.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So 1/3 pi r squared h you have to find. First find the radius. 2 pi r equal to 66. R equal to 66 by 2 pi. H is 12. How much you got? What is the radius? How much you got radius?
11.5. 10.5.
Correct. So 1/3 of 10.5, 10.5 pi into 12 you do.
Can be 1,000.
1,000?
386 meter cube, ma'am.
That's correct.
Next is Bhumika. Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am.
the diameter,
Yes, ma'am.
the diameter of two cones is equal. Their slant height is in the ratio of 5:4. Ratio of their curved surface area. R equal to R2. 5x and 4x. Curved surface area pi RL pi R1 L1 by pi R2 L2. Pi will cancel. R1 by R2 is 5x by 4x. L1 by 5x by 4x. R1 R2 equal. So what is the ratio? Here they have given D1 equal to D2. Diameters are equal. So R1 equal to R2. Sahana has written 5:4. Correct, Sahana. Then pi R1 L1 by pi R2 L2 you have to do. CSA by CSA. Pi cancel. R1 R2 equal. L1 5x. L2 4x. XX cancel. 5:4 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer? Tell me the answer. What is the answer?
Ma'am, option B.
Correct.
That's correct.
Next is Danaya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Two cones. Curved surface area of one is twice of the other. Slant height of the latter is twice that of the other. The ratio of the radii. CSA 1 equal to times CSA 2.
2/3, ma'am.
2/3. No.
Oops, that is incorrect.
3:2, ma'am. Option C, ma'am.
Then L2, the latter is
4:1, ma'am. Answer.
L2 equal to 2 L1. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Here they have given that here they have given CSA of the first one is 2 times CSA of the second one. So CSA1 by CSA2 equal to 2 by 1. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? And they have given L2 is 2 times L1. Latter means second one. Somebody wrote Sana has written 2:1. Now CSA A1 is pi R L1, pi R L2. Pi cancel. Radius.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, we
Nothing
have
is
to multiply 2.
L2 is 2 L1. So 1 by 2 L1. L1 will cancel. So 1 by 2. But what about radius?
Ma'am, we have to multiply that first pi RL into 2, ma'am.
Why?
It's twice the
Yeah, 1
second
by
one. 2R by
second one.
R, ma'am. 2:1, ma'am.
See, second one is 2 times the first one. Latter means what? Latter means the second one, no?
And that is slant height.
Slant height of the second is 2 times
Ma'am, she
slant
was
height
telling
of
the first one, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
here. See here, the slant height of the latter is twice that of the other. Then the ratio of the radii. Radii they have called, asked, no?
Ma'am,
So
she
what
was asking that the curved surface area of one cone is
Yes,
twice
there
that
is
of other.
twice of the second one, no, ma'am. So we have to multiply that 2.
See here, I agree with you. What I'm saying is they have asked for the ratio. We don't have to multiply is what I'm telling. See, they have told that CSA1 by CSA2, okay? Because they have said that the first one is times the other one. CSA1 is 2 times CSA2, no? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So CSA1 by CSA2 is by 1. Correct? Correct?
Ma'am,
Is
2
it right?
times CSA1 equal to CSA2.
No. It says the surface area of one is twice that of the other. So you are saying 2 CSA1 equal to CSA2 you are telling. No, this is not correct. First one is surface area of the first one is twice that of the other. So 2 by 1. So this is pi r r1 L1 pi r2 L2 equal to 2 by 1. Pi cancel. Then second one is 2 times first one. So L2 is R1 R2 L1 2L1 cancel. So R1 by 2R2 equal to 2 by 1. So 2 will go there. R1 by R2 is what? 4 by 1. That option is there or not? 4:1.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check.
Option D.
Option D. Option D is the correct.
Correct.
Next is Farhan. Farhan,
Yes, ma'am.
answer this question. Volume of a cone of radius r and height h is given by. No calculation, only formula.
1 by 3 pi r square.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Madhumita, area is 150 conical solid. Volume is 1232. Find CSL. Area formula. Area base. Find R. Also you have to find R, you have to find H, you have to find. Got it? Shall we do it on whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 550 square centimeter.
550. Okay. So area of base is how much? Area of base 154.
154.
Base is circle. So pi r squared is 154. So r squared is 154 by pi. So r squared is 154 by 22. 7 will go up. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 2 7s are. So r is 7. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now r is 7. Now they have given volume 1232. Volume equal to 1232. 1/3 pi r squared h is 1232. So H equal to 1232 into 3 divided by 22. 7 will go up. Radius is 7 into 7. Is it correct? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
correct? 7 will go. Then 11 to the 11 ones the 13. 11 ones the then 22. 11 to the. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
11 ones the 11. 13. Again 11 ones the 11 to the. Then 2 5 the 2 6 the 7 8 the. So H equal to how much? H
24.
equal to
24.
24. Now, what have they asked? Find CSA. Find CSA. So N equal to square root of
25, ma'am. 25.
24 square
25, ma'am.
7. So square root of 24 square is how much? 24. What is 24 square?
576, ma'am.
76.
576
570.
plus 49. Square root of 625. 25. Now find pi RL. CSA is pi RL.
550, ma'am.
22, 7,
550, ma'am.
550. Mahalakshmi, here diameter is 16.8, height is 3.5. Find the volume. How much you got? Shall we do it on whiteboard? Here they have given diameter. They have asked volume. Volume is 1/3 pi
Ma'am,
r. How much?
388,
How much?
ma'am.
258.72, ma'am.
258.72. So 22 by 7. Radius is 16.8 by 2.
8.4 rules.
By 2. H is 3.5. Am I correct? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So 8.4. 8.4. 0.5. Then 3 2s are 3 8s are. Multiply 22, 2.8, 8.4, 0.5. 22, 0.5 is 11. 11, 2.8, 8.4. You have to multiply. 258.7.
Ma'am, 258.72.
Okay. Next. Mahantesh. Mahantesh. Mahantesh.
Yes, ma'am.
PSA of a cone is 90 pi. Pi you have to take as 3.14. Slant height is 13. We have to find the radius. PSA of cone is, what is the formula?
Square bracket L plus R.
Pi r bracket L plus r.
Correct. So pi you have to take 3.14. Don't take 22 by 7. It is 90 pi. Shall we do it on whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5
Here.
centimeter.
5 you got? Okay, let us
Yes,
check. See here, TSA, total surface area of cone, is pi r into r plus L. Correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And they have given that as 90 pi. This whiteboard is not working. I will open Paint. So they have given that pi r into r plus L equal to 90 pi. And they asked us to take pi as 3.14. Cancel pi. So r squared plus L is 13. 13r equal to 90. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is r into r is r squared. L is 13. R into 13 is 13r. So r squared plus 13r minus 90 equal to 0. Factors of 90 subtraction should give you 13. 2, 45, 5, 9, 3, 3. So here you have to do 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 9, no. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So 18 minus 5 is 13. So r squared plus 18r minus 5r minus 90 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term. Now remove the common factor. R into r plus 18 minus 5 into r plus 18 equal to 0. So r plus 18 into r minus 5 equal to 0. R plus 18 equal to 0. R equal to minus 18. Radius cannot be negative. So omit it. Omit. So r minus 5 equal to 0. R equal to 5. Radius is 5. Understood? Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are factorizing a quadratic equation by splitting the term. So 5 is the answer we got.
That's correct.
Next is Naveen, total surface
Yes, ma'am.
area. We already did this, no?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, total surface area of a right circular cone of slant height 13 centimeter is 90 pi. Its volume is dash.
Option A, ma'am.
Option A.
Oops, that is incorrect.
Here, they have given total surface area as 90 pi and volume they have asked. So total surface area formula.
Pi r bracket L plus r.
Pi r into r plus L is 90 pi. Cancel pi. R is, what do we have to find? What have they given?
Volume, ma'am.
Volume we have to find. L they have given, right?
Yes,
What have
ma'am.
they?
13,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
13,
They have
ma'am.
given L as 13, L is 13, and the total surface area is 90 pi. Correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So here we have to find R. So R
Again, R
into
equal to 5, ma'am.
equal to 90. R is correct. 13R minus 90 equal to 0. R square plus 18R minus 5R minus 90 equal to 0. R into R plus 18 minus 5 into R plus 18 equal to 0. So R equal to 5, R minus 18, omit, because radius cannot be negative. So radius is 5. We have to find the volume. Volume equal to 1/3 pi r squared h, 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 5 into 5. What is the height?
12, ma'am.
12.
13, ma'am.
13
12,
is
ma'am.
L. L is 13. Slant height is 13. Height is 12. Want to check the question? They have not given the h. We have to calculate the h. They are not given h. H equal to square root of L squared minus R squared. Square root of 13 square minus 5 square. Square root of 169 minus 25. Square root
44.
of 144. That is 12. So 3 fours are 12. Then multiply. Nothing is getting cancelled. 22 into
314.
88 into 25 by 7. How much you got? 88 into
314.
314.
314.28.
0.28. Let me share the screen. 314 point. There is no 3 point, only full.
That's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Pawan, find out the volume of a right circular cone whose slant height and radius of the base are 25 and 7. So first you have to find h. R is 25. No, L is 25. R is 7. H you find. How much you got? H. What is H?
24, ma'am.
24, ma'am. 24, ma'am.
24. And after finding H, you find the volume. 1/3 pi r squared H. How much you got?
After me, ma'am.
Ma'am, option
Ma'am,
A.
After me, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 2.
there are
1, 2, 3, 2.
cubic centimeters.
1, 2, 3, 2.
That's correct.
Pavitra,
Yes, ma'am.
the next question is for you. The solid obtained on revolving a right angle triangle about one of its side is. What kind of solid will you get if you revolve a right angle triangle about one of its sides? What kind of triangle will you get? What kind of solid?
Ma'am, cone.
Cone.
That's correct.
Next is Puja. The relation between slant height and radius and height.
Option B, ma'am. L square is equals to h square plus.
Correct.
That's correct.
Sachin.
Yes,
Sachin.
ma'am.
Find the total surface area of a conical vessel. Radius is 6 and height is 8. PSA of cone. You have to find L first. How much you got L?
28, ma'am.
No. 6 square plus 8 square.
10,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
10.
10, ma'am.
10, ma'am. 10, ma'am.
That is 10. So pi r into r plus L you do. How much you got? Pi r into r plus L. Base is 6, height is 8, L is 10. 22 by 7 into 6 into 10 plus 6. That is 16. Not getting? Not getting?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Shall we do it on the whiteboard?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Options are 260, 164, 162, 264.
Ma'am, it is coming 301.7.
Yes, ma'am. 301.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. I also got.
options are not correct, I think. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do it on the whiteboard and check. So here they have given L we have to find 6 square plus 8 square, 36 plus 64, 100, 10. So, and they have asked TSA, right? TSA is 22 by
ma'am.
7, 6 into 6 plus 10. So 22 by 7, 6, 16. So 132 into 16 by 7. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2112 by 7 is 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 0, 7 1 the. You are right. 301.7 is the answer. So some mistake is in that. Don't worry about it. Time is up. We can end this class. Shall we? Shall we
Yes,
close?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we will close today's lesson. See you. Bye.